Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. If you're looking for a portable blender that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, this might just be the product you've been waiting for. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Brentwood 50-watt 17-oz portable battery-operated USB-Chargeable glass blender in black. It promises a convenient blending experience with the flexibility of a portable design and the power to tackle smoothies, shakes, and more. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Brentwood Portable Blender is a compact, lightweight option designed for on-the-go use. With 50 watts of power, it's equipped to handle everything from smoothies to protein shakes. The 17-ounce glass jar is a standout feature, offering both durability and a sense of premium quality. It comes with a sports lid, making it easy to sip from once your blend is ready. Another key selling point is the USB charging feature, which allows you to power the device using any USB charging device. This means you can charge it in your car, at the office, or even from a portable power bank. A full charge provides enough juice for up to 10 cups of blending, making it great for multiple uses before needing a recharge. Now, I've spent some time putting this blender through its paces. First off, the setup is incredibly straightforward. You simply fill it with your ingredients, secure the lid, and press the button to blend. The motor powers through basic smoothies and shakes fairly well, and it's impressive how quickly it turns fruits and ice into a smooth consistency. That said, the 50-watt motor is not the most powerful out there, so if you're looking to blend something tougher, like leafy greens or nuts, it might struggle a little. It also takes a few more seconds than a higher-powered blender to achieve a completely smooth texture, especially with denser ingredients. As for convenience, this blender excels. It's small, lightweight, and fits easily in a bag, so whether you're at the gym, on your commute, or at work, you can take it with you without much hassle. The USB charging is a huge plus. No need to worry about finding an outlet. And the glass jar adds an extra level of sturdiness and hygiene compared to plastic alternatives. However, it's worth noting that the glass can add a little more weight, making it slightly less ideal for those who need an ultra-light option for daily carry. The pros of this blender are clear. It's portable, user-friendly, and the ability to charge via USB makes it adaptable to many different situations. The glass jar is a welcome feature that stands out in a sea of plastic blenders, offering a more robust feel and a cleaner taste. The blender is easy to clean, which is always a bonus. However, it's not without its cons. While it's great for basic smoothies and shakes, the 50-watt motor can struggle with more challenging ingredients, especially when blending anything that requires a lot of power. If you're a smoothie enthusiast who likes to toss in tough ingredients like nuts or frozen vegetables, this might not be the best option for you. The 17-ounce capacity is also relatively small, so if you're someone who likes to make larger servings or prepare drinks for more than one person, you'll find yourself needing to make multiple batches. Now, how does the Brentwood blender compare to others in the market? There are a few similar portable blenders out there, but many of them come with higher wattage for faster and more thorough blending. For example, the Magic Bullet Mini Blender, which has similar portability and USB charging features, comes with a slightly higher motor power, making it more capable of handling tougher ingredients. However, if you're looking for something with a glass jar and a more eco-friendly vibe, the Brentwood model might be more appealing. When it comes to value for money, the Brentwood blender holds its own. At its price point, you're getting a durable, portable blender that does exactly what it promises: blend smoothies, shakes, and drinks with ease. Its compact size and USB charging make it convenient for those on the move. However, if you're someone who needs a more powerful blender for heavy-duty tasks, you might want to consider investing a little more in a higher-end option. The build quality of this blender is solid for its price. The glass jar feels sturdy, and the overall design is sleek and practical. There have been no significant issues with durability in the time I've used it, but given the lower power rating, this blender isn't designed for heavy daily use or demanding tasks. It's likely to last long with proper care, but be mindful not to overuse it beyond its limits. While I didn't personally need to contact customer service, Brentwood has a reputation for decent support. Their products are generally affordable and straightforward, and any customer service inquiries are usually handled efficiently. This blender doesn't rely on any firmware or software updates, so there's nothing to discuss on that front. In conclusion, the Brentwood portable blender delivers solid performance for basic tasks. It's perfect for anyone who needs a quick, portable blender for smoothies or shakes, especially if you're often on the move. If you're looking for a compact and convenient blender with a glass jar, this is an excellent choice. However, if you need more power for tougher ingredients or larger batches, you might want to explore other options. Thank you for watching this review. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Brentwood blender, feel free to share them in the comments below. The link to grab one for yourself can be found in the comments box as well. Goodbye till next time, and remember, keep blending with Reviews Inside TV.